the graphics card reigns supreme as the gatekeeper to visual fidelity and graphical prowess. Choosing the right GPU can be a daunting task, so buckle up as we delve into the top 5 graphics cards of 2024, offering a comprehensive analysis to empower your purchase decision. Number 1. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX, the king of 4K. Claiming the crown for unrivaled 4K performance, the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX boasts exceptional raw power. Benchmarks showcase its dominance, delivering buttery smooth frame rates in even the most demanding AAA titles at the highest resolutions. Experience: prepare to be mesmerized by stunning visuals. Textures pop with incredible detail, and shadows cast a lifelike depth. However, this power comes at a cost. The hefty price tag and increased power consumption make it a choice for enthusiasts and hardcore gamers. Number 2. Intel Arc A770, the value champion. For those seeking a graphics card that punches above its weight class, the Intel Arc A770 emerges as a compelling proposition. Delivering solid 1440p performance at a competitive price point, it offers a fantastic balance between power and affordability. Experience: gamers can expect high frame rates and impressive visuals in most modern games at 1440p resolution. While not the outright leader in raw performance, the A770 makes high-fidelity gaming accessible to a wider audience. Number 3. AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT, budget-friendly beast. The AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT caters to the budget-conscious gamer. This card delivers exceptional 1080p performance, allowing you to enjoy smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. Experience: while not suitable for pushing the highest resolutions, the RX 6600 XT excels in providing a fantastic 1080p gaming experience. Esports titles and older games run flawlessly, making it a great choice for casual gamers and those prioritizing value. Number 4. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, the 1440p sweet spot. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070 carves a niche for itself as the ideal option for 1440p gaming. It boasts the power to deliver high frame rates and enable features like DLSS 3.0 for sharper visuals without sacrificing performance. Experience: gamers seeking a high refresh rate 1440p experience will find the RTX 4070 to be a perfect fit. DLSS 3.0 offers a significant boost in performance, making it a strong contender for users prioritizing smooth gameplay with cutting-edge features. Number 5. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, the 1080p powerhouse. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 caters to the 1080p gamer, offering substantial performance improvements over previous generations. This card ensures you can enjoy the latest titles at high frame rates and visual settings. Experience: expect a significant leap in performance compared to older mid-range options. The RTX 4060 delivers a fantastic 1080p gaming experience, making it a solid choice for gamers who prioritize high frame rates and competitive performance.